Hello and welcome to Cryptshare.express. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send files via the web interface. First, open the Cryptshare.express Web App with your browser. Click Provide to start the transfer. Enter your contact details. Accept the terms of use and click Next. The first time you use the web application, the system will ask you to verify your identity. This step is only necessary the very first time and is not required for future transfers. Leave the window with the verification screen and switch to the inbox of the email address associated with your account. A verification code will be sent to this address. Copy the verification code and return to your browser. Paste the verification code and click Next. Enter the email addresses of the intended recipients. Please note that sending with Cryptshare.express is only possible if sender or recipient are an active Cryptshare.express user. Click Next. Select or create the contents you would like to send. Click Add to customize the text of your confidential message. The content of this message will then be sent encrypted to the recipient. Edit the subject line and content of the message and click Save. Add files as needed. Once all contents have been selected or created, click Next. Here you can determine the transfer options. You can determine how long the transfer will remain available to the recipient as a download by setting an expiration date. Select the language in which the system will inform the recipient about the provided data. Use the notification options to determine which processes you want to be notified about and if the file names should be displayed in plain text. In the security settings, you can choose from various password options for securing the transfer. Select your settings, write down the password if necessary, and click Next. If needed, you can customize the automated recipient notification. The data is transferred to the Cryptshare.express server via a secured channel, checked for malware, and saved by using AES encryption. All recipients are notified via a modified email. This notification will include a download link. The sender will receive a summary that includes all of the essential details of the transfer. Let's take a look at the recipient side. If you are a recipient of an email that was sent via Cryptshare.express, you will receive the following notification. Click Download Files. Your browser will automatically open with the entered transfer ID. Enter the password and click Next. Important: the sender will forward the password via a separate channel. The password will not be transferred in the notification email. Now you can download the files of the transfer. You can find information on how to use Cryptshare.express with the Outlook add-in in our detailed manual on our help webpage.